And this is the Superior Solutions STL010. I am putting it in an 8L90E transmission today. There isn't much to it. You've got some O-rings, a spring, a ball, a piston, maybe they call it a cylinder. Nope, it's a piston. And the end cap. So you might want a pick for this, some snap ring pliers, any kind of pliers. I'm using channel locks, and this should be an easy install. This is Mobile One Synthetic LV ATF HP, the blue label. You might lose some oil and you might not. I need just a little bit right now. I will be putting some lubrication onto these O-rings. It would be better to have gloves. I don't have any at the moment. One O-ring down. Alright, there are the two for the end cap. There's one on the piston. It is already there. And when you put this together, you'll put the ball in here, the cone, the small end toward the ball, and we'll put it back together out there in the thermostat body. So there's the oil pan for the transmission, and that is the thermostat housing. It's a horizontal version, and I've seen some that have verticals, but I think since it's horizontal, I can pull all the internals out here and push the new ones in. So there is a snap ring right here. And you want to make sure you don't lose it, because you have to use this for the reassembly process. This is a straight pair of snap ring pliers, and what I really need is a set of 90-degree tips. I was able to find my 90-degree tip adapters, so this tool might work out well. I used this pick to help me get it. Now I need to get this cap off. It just pulls straight out, but if you're in a place where there's a lot of corrosion, this might not be easy to do. And my face is in the danger zone. If you're going to have it right under, you might want to have your Louis Vuitton face shield on. There isn't very much fluid that comes out of there. So here's the piece they call the pill. When you hear that flip the pill term, that is what they're referring to. So this comes out, the old cap comes out, and there's a spring in there I have to get. There's the spring. Now I can put in the new stuff. So the piston goes in, small end first. Make sure it's got that O-ring on it. Got that in. Now the end cap gets the ball. And it gets the spring with the cone end down. Now we just have to put it together. It's not quite deep enough for the snap ring. I need to give it a push. Snap ring time. Oh, of course. Anybody see where that went? The ring is set and this job is done. I got a little dirty. So if everything goes well, by the time you get this truck up on the ramps, you get your kit open and disassembled, reassembled, put back together, this is about a 30-minute job if it goes well. And if you want one of these kits, I'll put a link in the description. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and I will catch you all next time.